Today I have two laundry boxes from Brabantia, mint and grey. I ordered them from Amazon. They have 26 euro each. They don't have the same price. I think the mint one was 1 or 2 euro more expensive, so in total I paid kind of 54 euro. Alright, let's see them. First of all, we have the handles. Both sides, they have handles. I have put them between the wardrobe and this commode. Okay, this is where I have space in my small apartment. You can open it from the top and it opens all back. You can fold backwards. The case is that it has this sleek opening in the front. Both of them. So what we are doing is color clothes, dark clothes up, white clothes down, and light colored clothes. Let's see. Great quality, very pleased. Factor of price quality here is great. They have boards, kind of cardboards, I don't know exactly. They were folded when they arrived, they were folded, so I have unfolded them. As I said earlier, the lid is not missing, it's just folding backwards. Then we have it forward again on top of the basket. Pushed back and there you go. I can put one more on the top if I want, or I can put in another similar space. Okay, let's see what we've got here. 46 centimeters, the opening. Okay, wardrobe to commode. This is 36 centimeters deep. 31 centimeters wide. So the height, 43 centimeters height. That's all. We're very pleased that we have managed to take care of our laundry in our small apartment with these two boxes from Bardis, and we have done a lot of research online to spend the right amount of money for the right product. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.